I've always wanted to talk about things and find my thing for this channel. I still can't. Bear with me.
Redemption location. The shop is
She is buying tickets for the family who will be arriving today at discounted rates. She's buying it on Carousel. Tickets for?
For the
Hop on, hop at Elevation. Arrived. We are late because our Uber cancelled on us, so we are late for about 15 minutes. They are there. Come on. What's up? What's up? We are back. Hey. Hey. Woo. Water show na daan.
Oh, water show na.
Water show na daan. Asa ta mga ano?
Asa tayo pa?
Waka ka pa itong mic? Wala na. So this is my fat sister. Right here. Wala na po.
Wala na mo.
Hi Ma.
Hi Koy.
How was the flight?
Okay lang. Wala ito bilang. Ako katulog sa airplane kay hayang isuga.
Ibadlo mo ko sa nakasabaan mo sa ikaw.
Okay, nag-video
Bawal mo na. How was the flight?
It was good. Actually, I realized I should have brought some food because it was a 4-hour flight, and I was watching a movie, and I realized I should have bought food because I'm used to having like 35 to 45-minute flights, and that's why I don't want to eat. But this time, it was 4 hours, and I was containing my hunger for the last 4 hours just because we're crippled. I don't have dollars for that.
The boss is here. The boss is. Where did the boss come from? Hands. waiting for our Uber. I don't know what to say. I always miss out on talking in vlogs. I don't know. We're heading out to Marina Bay Square?
No.
Where?
Marina Bay Sands.
To Marina Bay Sands.
From above, everyday would seem turning love song.
We're very early here at the shops of Marina Bay because we are going to ride the hop-on hop-off bus here, and we're waiting for the other members of the fam. I've been here many times, but this place still amazes me. Just like this girl amazes me every day. We forgot to tell them where to stop. We just told them to come here to Marina Bay via Uber, and didn't tell them where they should be dropped off. Oh no. We're going our separate ways, and we'll try to find them much faster this way, I hope. There's still no luck, no sign of them.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday would seem
Expo. Sige, ayaw maglihok niya ha. Naon mo na mong Marge.
Kanang sa station pa sa Bayfront.
Sige. Okay. Wait lang. Mga naarami. So they made it. Fortunately. So mom's seen a huge Louis Vuitton store here in Singapore. She is so amazed. Oh, sorry, Han.
Oh, usa jud sila ka store. I mean duha.
Picture ko, Marge. Ja. Makuha na, Marge.
She's not so excited. Our schedule for hop on, hop off
It's 10.
was 10, but we're Filipinos. We're late in everything. It's ready. 12:30. And we're going there to the destination.
I would lose it when you speak. Angel, sing from above.
The road to Marina Square is very far. We're walking. Oh, Marina Square! It's there! I guess we've walked for more than 5 minutes under the heat of the sun. And it's there! Finally!
Every day would seem turning into love zone.
We're in a hurry. We're trying to reach the bus. Travel time is 1:30. And it's 1:23. Have 7 minutes to go. We're in a hurry.
Akong mami.
Come on, come on. Hali, masih mugo na.
When you press me to your
Vivo City! We are back.
Shoutout guys.
We are on our way to the Universal Studios. Backing. And here we go.
I would lose it when you speak. Angel, sing from above. Every day would seem
It's 5:25. 6 p.m. is the closing time. We barely reached Universal Studios Singapore, but we're here. What can you say on your first visit?
I'm not impressed. I was hoping to be sad, but oh my god, I'm not happy.
I would lose it when you speak. Angel, sing from above. Every day would seem
We are now waiting for the show at 9 p.m. We've arrived hungry, so we're snacking with potato chips. Our tummies are now full. We're now going home. Very tiring day today. Shut up, shut up. Very tiring day.